Welcome to our resort, located at Los Banos Laguna. Our resort offers an oasis of tranquility and luxury. Surrounded by lush tropical trees of Laguna and overlooking the mystical forest of Macling, this haven is a sanctuary for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Guests can indulge in a range of amenities, from sparkling hot spring family-sized pool that seems to merge with the horizon of a cozy lounge, on unique setup of dining area. Each one interconnects for every family activity, such as karaoke, boodle fight, a bar for unwinding, and an ample space for outdoor activities. The villa is meticulously designed, with a harmonious blend of modern elegance and traditional charm, boasting spacious living space, opulent bedrooms with homey feels pillows and linens. A private balcony that offers breathtaking views intertwine the area for gaming activity like billiards, air hockey, and table tennis, including a gleaming chef's stove, spacious refrigerator, and a suite of high-end cookware. This kitchen provides the perfect backdrop for crafting delectable meals. Every moment promises a touch of magic, with a dedicated team committed to ensuring every stay is a memorable one. Our resort is more than just a destination. It's an experience tailored to elevate your senses and soothe your soul. Book now.